Tired of seeing that dreaded TikTok is not available in your region message? Well, today, I'm going to show you how to break free from those restrictions and unlock the world of TikTok using a VPN. First things first, you'll need a virtual private network, or VPN. Head over to your favorite search engine, like Google, and search for VPN. You'll find tons of options, so let's talk about what to look for. When choosing a VPN, consider speed, security, and the number of server locations. A VPN with servers in countries where TikTok is available is key. Some popular and reliable choices include Norton, ExpressMe, and Surfshark. Once you've chosen a VPN, download the app from their website or your device's app store. Open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the VPN on your device. Now, open the VPN app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Next, you'll need to connect to a server in a country where TikTok is available. The United States or the United Kingdom are usually good bets. Tap on the server location you've chosen. Wait for the VPN to establish a connection. Once connected, open the TikTok app if you don't already have it. Download it from the App Store. Now that your VPN is running, voila! You should now have full access to TikTok, no matter where you are. If you're still running into issues, try clearing TikTok's cache or switching to a different VPN server. Remember, using a VPN can affect your internet speed. Choose a server that's geographically close to improve performance. Also, be aware of the VPN's privacy policy and make sure they don't log your data. A word of caution: avoid free VPNs. They often have questionable security practices and may even sell your data. Stick with reputable, paid VPN services for the best security and performance. That's it. You're now ready to enjoy TikTok without limitations. For links to recommended VPNs and more helpful tips, check out the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials.